A good morning to all. Today I am going to explain you about the history of Tally ERP9. So you know the name of Tally software, but you don't know the reason behind the development of Tally. So Mr. Shamsundar Goenka had a business of supplying raw materials and machinery parts to various plants and textile mills in southern and eastern parts of India, as he was finding very difficulty in order to maintain his all books of accounts and in order to maintain his all the transactions. So he asked his 23-year-old son, Mr. Bharat Goenka, in order to develop one software which is helpful to meet their business requirements. As a result, in the year 1986, Mr. Bharat Goenka developed one accounting software. The name of the software is Petronix Accountant. Okay, and in the year 1988, the name of the software is changed to Tally Solutions or Tally Software. Okay, and in the year 1990, Tally 3.0 version is introduced. Okay, so this version is very helpful for meeting basic financial requirements of small scale business, and this version is worked on the basis of MS-DOS operating system. The Tally version from 1990 to 1995, so these versions are worked on the basis of MS-DOS operating system. And in the year 1996, Tally 5.0 version is introduced, where it worked on the basis of Windows operating system. Earlier Tally versions are worked on the basis of MS-DOS operating system, which is a command line interface. But after 2005, after 1995, all the Tally versions are worked on the basis of Windows operating system. And in the year 1999, the name of the company is changed to Tally Solutions. Earlier, the name of the company is Petronix Limited. In the year 1999, it was changed to Tally Solutions. And in the year 2005, Tally 7.2 version is introduced, which support VAT, that is value added tax. You know, before the introduction of GST, VAT is an example for indirect tax. So where this version is helpful for the calculation of VAT. And in the year 2006, Tally 8.1 version is introduced, where it support multiple language. Now after 2006, Tally is supporting various languages. Earlier, the Tally can operate only in one language, but in the 2006, the version is changed to multiple language platform. And finally, in the year 2009, Tally ERP9 software is introduced, which is helpful for complete business solutions. So now with the help of this Tally ERP9, so we can calculate accounting transactions and inventory. And it also helpful for the calculation of GST, which is an indirect tax. Thank you.